It's night, day 3. I got my day straight. Because it's Sunday, through Friday night kind of thing. Everyone's going to sleep. And, Roxy's reading The Chronicles of Narnia. Because that's, good reading. It really is. I'm not dog. It's good. You should read it if you haven't. Kind of worried about the ferrets. I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow how they fared overnight. Hopefully Paul will be back. Here's to hoping and wishing and praying. Maybe in Vale. Who knows? We'll find out. So, keep on trucking. Or why not? I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Cool.